fucking truck.
Alright guys, welcome back to the Ozone. Let's get this episode started. This pair of shoes is another classic shoe of mine from the old days. I believe these are called the Air Force Jordan 4s. It's a mix of a Jordan number 4 and an Air Force 1. This is my wearing pair. I have another pair for staring somewhere in my storage unit. This shoe used to be, like I said, in my heavy wear rotation, so you might not be able to see it, but it has the Ozone shoe protector on the bottom as well as my grip pads you can see here. I really like the shoe a lot. I'm looking for more pairs of it, so if you guys have any pairs of this shoe, let me know. I'm looking to get all of the Air Force Jordans again, because I wore all of mine. I would like to have a couple more dead stock pairs because they last, because these shoes are just so fire. But it's a very rare shoe. Let you guys see the top. Mine aren't too beat up, but I want to make sure that they last. So like I said, I'm going to try to find another pair. Very hard to find. I can't remember the year they came out. But it's, like I said, it's basically a Jordan number 4 with the Air Force 1 bottom. Kind of translucent. These have turned over the years because it's old. But let you guys get the side silhouette of the shoe. It's a very good shoe. Alright guys, let's get on to the next one. Alright guys, let me get you a little bit of box action. And focus real quick. This is the Nike Air Raid white, university red, and black. I got this shoe. I was on the fence about it. Made a post on YouTube. Most of you guys responded. Thanks to you guys. I just said I was going to make a purchase of it. Not really a huge Air Raid fan, but I wanted to have all of the Air Raids that came out this year. So I got this pair. Not a bad looking shoe. It's the same exact as the other Air Raid. So if you saw Air Raids or purchased Air Raids, it's the exact same shoe, just in different colorways. It's a very good shoe, durable. I have the original Air Raid, so I just got the 2021s to keep the collection complete. Don't know if I would ever wear this shoe, but this shoe, in my opinion, definitely is an everyday wearer. If you needed a shoe for work, or a shoe for basketball or whatever, just a general good shoe, and you don't want to pay a whole bunch of money. I managed to get these for about $110. But the store owner knew I didn't really want to buy them. So he looked me out. Let me give you guys another side silhouette. We get on to the next shoe. Alright guys, take a good look. Got a little flap in the back. Looks like it has a sock in there. Let me give you guys a little top action. There's nothing really at the top of this shoe, but alright guys, let's get on with the next one. Alright, let's get this last shoe out of the way. Again, like I said, you guys can see the tape, so you know what type of shoe it is. Take it straight out the box, fresh, so you guys see it when I see it. Let's put this box down, sorry about that, guys. I'll get you a little bit of box action. Let's focus. Alrighty, tell you what this is. This is the Air Jordan Varsity red and black, aka I think this is the reverse flu games, but if I'm wrong, I'm sorry guys. Nope. It's the reverse flu games. Thought this might be them. Not a bad shoe in my opinion. Starting to like the Jordan 12s more and more now. They've been doing some pretty good Jordan 12 retros. The extra laces, round laces. They had a restock on these. I got a pair. I think I got about 2 or 3 pairs now, so if anybody might be interested in a pair of 11 and a half, I think I overbought 11 and a half, 12, and 13, but it's okay. A lot of people don't like this shoe. In my opinion, it's not a very bad shoe. It's a good shoe. Like I said, Jordan 12s are growing on me. They last as I go through my collection. I see that the Jordan 12s are a shoe that they last years and years, 10, 15 years down the line. It's still a good shoe. Nothing crumbles, nothing cracks, as long as you take care of the shoe itself. Let me show you guys again. You get the red laces. They come with black in the shoe. Circle laces. Reverse flue gangs. You know, the back of a 12, they got me a little bit of box lint on there, but it's still okay. Shoe is made out of suede with the normal leather Jordan toe box and side mud flap. But you got suede all the way down. Let me give you guys the top view of the shoe. See the black laces. It says 2 on the shoe. Whole shoe suede. Oh, buttery. Motion suede. Very, very high quality. Let you guys see the shoe side again, and we'll get ready to get out of here. Get these laces out of the shoe. Like I said, to get red laces. Shoe comes with the black. The thing that's getting me now with the Jordans, I really love this. The back they're putting on the Jordan 12s. I got a lot of the sneaker boxes. You put them in the case, it looks good in there. But it's a cool Jordan. I don't know if I'll ever wear it. But thanks for watching, guys. Remember, comment, like, subscribe, and stay safe out there. We're going to keep on growing the collection. Keep on growing the channel. You guys do the same. Everybody fucking jump!